Guys, welcome back to my channel. We have the latest Q count. This is a Q count of September to December 2023. This is the latest one. Describe a bad service you receive in a shop or a restaurant. Here we have the story. A couple of months ago, on a weekend, we watched a movie and we were 4 to 5 members. And after watching a movie, we visited a restaurant which is close to that theater. And the name of the restaurant is Green Star. Actually, Green Star is very popular in my locality, and you can set your favorite restaurant. Okay, and that was very popular in my locality. On that day, there were too much rush. You can say that there were around more than 100, 200 people over there. Okay, and we ordered a meal, and it took around 20 to 30 minutes to reach on our table. And when we asked to the waiter, he told us about there was a shortage of staff and due to the festival. Okay, there was a particular day or festival, so that was the reason the delaying of that meal and the other thing. Okay, they usually have 6 to 10 chefs plus 25 to 30 waiters, but on that particular day they have a limited ones. And the meal was not up to the mark because of the chef, because there is a limited chefs and they cook that meal too fast and they're not focusing in the particular ingredients that they used usually. So this is the reason they have the bad service. Okay, every single customer faces the same problem and having a dinner approximately about 2 hours, and we can say that it took around 2 hours to complete or having a dinner at that time. Okay, so in the end, you can say that so that was the worst service that I ever received in my life. Okay, so this is a whole Q card about a bad service in a restaurant. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your near ones. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.